It's a beautiful day out. There's something I want to show you out here in the water. There's a bunch of birds, pelicans, seagulls, and a couple other different types of birds out here. I've never seen so many of them all bunched up together like this. I think maybe one time I seen them all bunched up like this. A long time ago, about 4 years ago. They were doing the same thing as they're doing right now. They all, I don't know if you can see out there. I'll get closer. But there's just a wall of pelicans. It's kind of neat looking. A long time ago, I came out here for the first time early in the morning. I came out here real early in the morning, and they were doing this early in the morning. Not quite as many. But there's birds all along the beach. I mean, they're just tons of pelicans out here. I don't see any of the fish. But there's tons of pelicans and seagulls. Have you ever seen so many birds? Pretty wild, isn't it? It's nothing but pelicans and seagulls out there. Pretty amazing, isn't it? This is at Fort DeSoto Park. There's just tons of them. I don't know if you can see out here. They're all bunching up over here. I think I might have scared them off. Wow, look at all, they're all bunched up now. kind of cool looking, isn't it? This doesn't happen very often, by the way. This feast. Just look at all of them. It's wild. I scared him off again. Pretty cool though, isn't it? This doesn't happen very often. I think I've seen this 2 times. And I kite out here, and I come out here all the time. And this is probably this second or third time I've ever seen something like this. Like all of them are all bunched up right here. Winter's coming. That's a sign that winter's coming. But I'll try to hit up some more locations. But I'm gonna make this kind of a long video. I cover up head to toe, by the way. You know, stay out of this, you know, keep the sun off of me. And what I do is I just shower a lot. So I got wet clothes on. So I stay nice and cool. Just best way to be out in the heat. Best way to be out in the heat, just wear wet clothes. But yeah, you won't see that very often. That's a very memorable moment. It happens probably, you know, maybe 1 or 2 days out of the year, maybe you might see it like that. And you gotta just be there at the right time. So I'm gonna ride around a little bit, just kind of capture some of the park. This is East Beach, Fort DeSoto, East Beach. There's showers in that little pavilion looking bathroom there. And I shower off in there. Those showers are from the 60s and they work amazing. I haven't seen showers that good in anywhere. And they were made in the 60s. Yeah, they were. But this is the rest of the park.